Good morning, family. This is Dave with Tajah. Just wanted to reach out to you today and talk about something kind of personal to me. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys in because that's what it's about. That's what my channel is about. And it's overcoming fear. It's not an easy task. We're all faced with it. I know I've been faced with it throughout my life. And it's especially acute. It becomes really intense as you get into your senior years, which I am. Say, can I actually do such and such? Can I conquer technology suitably so that I can, fulfill my purpose? One of my biggest fears is can I actually finish writing my book? I've been writing this book now for over 15 years, adding bits and pieces, keeping a journal, basically a diary, infrequently when things strike me. And I wondered, is it possible to get this information out without finalizing it? So here we go. YouTube seems to be a perfect venue for that. So just the other day, I was, going through my morning routine, waking up and trying to decide how I was going to attack the day. And a funny thing happened. I started having all of these thoughts about financial insecurity. Now, I'm in a good position in life, though I've squandered quite a bit and going through many phases of walking away from great opportunity. I found myself in a position of not having to need or want anything, which is pretty cool. Sure, I'd like to travel over to Bali or settle in, the Philippine Islands for a while. But if I want that enough, I know that through the power that's within me as a creature of this universe that can be attained too. So I was having this really unsettling fear this morning, and it had to do with the fact that I did my first post on YouTube talking about the channel Tajad and really digging into what it was that I wanted to accomplish for myself and others. And by the way, you can read about that very posting, that very about information on my channel. If you just go over to my channel or go to this posting or the previous one and go to the channel description and go to the about information, you read what I put down from my heart concerning getting information out. So here I am, in my 60s and seeking to reach out to the world. As one of my pastors described, he says, Dave, he says, you're going to DII. What the heck is that? I said, you're going to distribute information. Well, actually, he said, you're going to disseminate information internationally. DII. That's how I remembered it. So here we are going out over the waves for YouTube. And I was having fear and doubt that I could actually do this thing. You'll see that one of the motivations is not financial gain. As I mentioned previously, that will happen inevitably. But the motivation to get inspiration out to people to, in this case, conquer your fear, overcome your fears, to let you just to reach inside and know that you have the ability to do something, primarily because it's in our very nature to overcome fears and to accomplish and to achieve. And we have examples of people in our past, people that have actually conquered their fears, that have gone ahead and said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and step out of the box and make this happen. And it happens at all ages. So as a mature person, here I am saying to myself, first thing in the morning, in bed, haven't even gotten out of the bed yet, I'm just giving myself some time, giving myself a half an hour to get grounded without hitting the ground, to get centered without moving, to just go ahead and figure, is there something I can do to move forward in my life? And the fear started hitting me about economic security. If I do this YouTube thing, am I going to be able to get paid? Am I going to be able to reach the next level of maturity and accomplishment? Well, as that fear started creeping up on me, I realized that I had to do something in my spirit to overcome it because it was becoming overwhelming. So I got into the mantra thing. It really helps if you can say some positive affirmations on a daily basis. So what I did was I repeated something that has become pretty dear to me. I said, David, you are a great, mighty, and powerful person with dignity, direction, and purpose. But I left out something in that. So I went back. We are a great, powerful, spiritual. Let me back that up a little bit in case I made a mistake. So we're great, mighty, powerful, and spiritual people with dignity, direction, and purpose. Say it 3 times. We are great, mighty, powerful, and spiritual people with dignity, direction, and purpose. We are great, mighty, powerful, and spiritual people with dignity, direction, and purpose. We are great, mighty, powerful, and spiritual people with dignity, direction, and purpose. That was my mantra for that morning, and I settled into a place of calmness. I actually overcame my fear of moving forward with YouTube a couple of days ago. Now, some miraculous things happened that day, because it seems like when you draw upon that energy in the universe, something miraculous tends to happen. It's up to us, me, to notice it. And I noticed it. Things started drawing to me that very day that I'm going to talk about in subsequent videos. And I made a decision 2 days ago that was just very, very powerful, that took away the economic insecurity or the fear of that, because I'm not economically insecure, but the fear of it can crop up at any time. So, folks, for those of you that happen to stumble upon this channel looking to overcome adversity or looking to overcome fear as a senior, you come to the right place, because you'll be able to witness what I do on a daily basis, and also what others have gone before me and done to be successful with this type of endeavor. So until then, I wish you much success. I wish you to be well and to settle in with whatever it is that can bring joy, light, and prosperity into your life today. Thanks. Dave signing out. Hey, by the way, don't forget to, if you like this video, and even if you don't like it, go ahead and hit like, maybe you'll make your mind up later that you really did like it, and at least this way you'll already be, pushing that button and smashing that like button. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe, hitting that subscribe button so that you can be brought up into attention whenever anything new comes along on my channel. And of course, the notification button, that'll let you know when something new posts. Look forward to speaking with you guys soon. And please, if you'd like to leave comments, please just go right ahead and do so. I'll make sure that I get back to you. Dave signing out.